Hi Nick, what's up?
Hey Maria, not too much. I'm trying to figure out the best way to find a good junk removal service.
Well, it's easier than you might think. You need to consider several things before making your decision.
Really? What are the things I should consider?
First, make sure to find a reliable and affordable service. Look for one with plenty of experience and good reviews from past clients. Also, ensure they have the latest tools, equipment, and personnel to handle all your junk removal needs.
Okay, that makes sense. Are there any other factors I should consider?
Absolutely. Check licensing, insurance, and certifications. Also, make sure they offer a free consultation so you can get an estimate of the cost and find out exactly what services they provide.
Great advice. Thanks, Maria. I'm all set to find the best junk removal service now.
You're welcome, Nick. You can also contact Junk Smiths for a free consultation. They provide the best junk removal in Huntington Beach and have years of experience. You can get fast and reliable services at an affordable price.
Okay, that's good to hear. What are the services they offer?
Junk Smiths offers various services, including residential and commercial junk removal. They are available 24/7, and their customer service is top-notch. You can contact them by visiting their website at junksmiths.com or calling them.
Wow, that sounds like great service. I will give them a try. Thanks again, Maria.
No problem. I'm sure Junk Smiths will help you with all your junk removal needs. Good luck.